This is the question of IOQM in 2017. P is the interior point and ABC, the triangle, right? This point is P. The first line is parallel to this. Second line is parallel to AC. And third line is parallel to this P is the point. The line through P parallel to BC meet A and B, AB and AC. The line through P parallel to CA. Right, so this is parallel to CA. This will intersect at M and N, and the line P, BC, CA, S and T. Right? Okay. And LK, MN, and ST are equal length. Find common. What is the key point? What is the key point in this question? What you all can like think for this question? Exactly what is the key point that will give you the solution or that will give you the answer? Anyone? You can write down in chat also. See, all the lengths are L, right? This is L, this is L, and this is L, right? All the lengths are L. So if this is X, this will be L minus X. This is Y, this will be L minus Y. And this is Z, this will be L minus. Not bad. All the lengths are equal is one of the key points. Other than that, the parallel lines. If the lines are parallel, so can you see this? This is the triangle, right? This will be similar to which one? Right. Ratio basic, right? Basic, ratio proportion. So this triangle PSL, any of the triangle I'm taking, right? So if you see this, any of the triangle, right? So if PM is L minus Z and this is Z, so this length AC, AB, AC, CA. So this will be 78 minus L. So now everything you have, right? Only the basic proportionality you have to use. What I'm saying, PSL, any of the triangle you can take. I'm not saying only the PSL, any of the triangle, just in the first look, I have marked that one. So that's the reason I'm saying the PSL, right? So if L minus X upon 65 is equal to this L minus Y upon 26 is equals to 78 minus L, right, upon 78. This is the first one. Or you can take the second one as this one. is this. In this triangle also, we can see that this is x, this is L minus x. So this will be 65 minus L. So again, the proportionality I can use for this, right? So this is 65 minus L upon 65 is equals to y upon 26 is equal to L minus g upon 70. Right, this is the second one, first and second. Now the calculation part. I hope everyone is getting this. Is this okay, everyone? Pratyush, okay na beta?
Yes, sir.
Anushka, is this okay?
Yes, sir.
Right. So now from these two, I have to just go with 1 minus L by 65 is equal to y by 26 is equal to L by 78 minus z by 78. And second is L by 65 minus x by 65 is equal to L by 26 minus y by 26 is equal to 1 minus L by 78. Right? From both this sides, we have to eliminate L. Right? Just try to solve everything. Very good. Everything is there. Now it's your turn. Try to solve. Now, can you see this? Right? If you can take this two, we can take this two, right? Are you getting this? So y by 26 is 1 minus L by 65. And from this, y by 26 is 1 plus L by 78 plus L by 26. Equating both this, so you are getting L by 65 plus L by 78 plus L by 26. Right? This is the minus one, right? So this will be 2. So L by 13 is common out. Right? 26. So L we are getting 30. So answer I am getting 30, but the interesting part is one of the side is given as 26. Right? Answer I'm getting 30, right? So
But here the minimum side is 26, so it is not possible.
and it's also given that the point P is lying inside, right?
So ये
So
question invalid था ना?
Hmm.
This question was invalid.
हाँ ये बोनस था. In fact 2017 के पेपर में 3 बोनस थे.
so
So when I was trying to draw the diagram, it took me 6 or 7 tries, but still I couldn't draw it.
so
I did it on the
only
first
I have
try,
like
though.
you understand now. We have to start with that only, right? Okay, this is the diagram, this we have to do, and the process will be same, right? The process we are going with the same. So may be possible in examination. Why I have taken this question, right? May be possible in examination, right? Some question would be wrong, right? So like उसे दिल पे नहीं लेना है, right? Why I'm not getting, right? This is the question I have already done. Why I'm not getting the answer? It's okay. Maybe question कुछ incorrect हो गए, right? So every time you have to you have to be confident in that way. Okay, what I am doing is right. What I'm doing is correct, right? So be confident and go with your gut feeling. Okay, right? So this is one of the question, right? And the second question, again, I'm giving you, right? Then I'll go for the next part of this. So I have planned something for all of you today. Just a minute. This is again a good one. Right. Can you see this question? Let ABCD be a rectangle and let E and F be point on CD and BC respectively, so that area of ADE 16, area of CEF is 9, and area of ABF is 25. Find area of the triangle AEF. This is simple question, but again, what I said, in IOQM, you'll not get the question directly from geometry. That geometry will be based on the basic of your calculation, right? So also the calculation part is also important in this. So please go ahead. See, nothing is given there, right? So similarity is possible if some angles are right there, right? So, but like only the angle 90-degree angles are uh, similar in like any of the two triangle, right? And the other angles, due to this numbers 16, 9 and 25, maybe like we can get something. Very good, Sivan.
I don't think so. There's a solution to this.
There would be.
Oh, it is quite easy actually. Just take some variables for the score.
Try. What I said, in IOQM, you will not get a question directly from geometry. Geometry based on algebra. Should I start now?
Sir, 1 second.
Sir, wait, sir, one.
How do you know area of rectangle is 50?
So 1 minute.
Draw the diagram. Draw the diagram. Okay, Sanjana. Very good reserve.
So we did a similar question when we folded a square and bought it at the midpoint.
But that was the case when you have to fold in that way, like you are getting
Midpoint pair.
one.
So but we similar ratios में जैसे हम coordinate में करते हैं वैसे हो गया.
You can. If you'll see this carefully now, every time you'll get a similar type of question. Now, initially we will see it's not possible to uh, uh, see the pattern of the examination. But when you have knowledge of all this thing, and then you can easily rate here. Okay, the same pattern of questions are coming. Just we have to be careful with our calculation because all the questions are integer type question. The problem with integer type is सावधानी हटी दुर्घटना घटी. Okay.
सर पिछले IOQM में मेरा इतना 5 मार्क का एक आंसर से ही छूटा था.
इस बार अगर छूटा ना तो मैं घर आके पिटाई करूंगा. ये सब बोलना भी भूल जा ना कि जो लास्ट था वो गया. दिस टाइम राइट
Yes, sir.
मेरे एक भी गड़बड़ नहीं होने चाहिए. दैट्स इट.
Okay, sir.
हाँ, और जो गड़बड़ होंगे वो पहले हमें पहले से पता होता है एग्जैक्टली वेयर आई डू रॉन्ग. Only with a gut feeling I have to talk to ourselves. Right, this may be the area where I'm not comfortable. Okay, let's start. See.
Sir, just 1 minute.
Okay. Very good, Tanay. Very good. Very good, Katani. Very good, beta. Pratyush, very good. Very good. So only the calculation, what you have done, right? If I'll ask to everyone, what you have done, direct the calculation one or something properties?
Sir, I went with dividing the sides like we use in coordinate geometry as one is to alpha and beta is to 1.
Hmm.
The side which you have made CD and CB. Then I took two triangles, and
Mhm.
each of the time I compared it with the larger half triangle of the rectangle in terms of area.
Okay.
Then I get the area of that larger triangle as half the area of the entire rectangle.
Okay.
Then
Means,
there is only calculation.
okay, the calculation part, right? Okay, you can do this question with the help of coordinate also, or like you have the better method with, right, basic calculation also. So this is given ADE is 16, CEF is 9, and this is 25. And we have to find this. What you have done, Sanjana, you can tell?
So I'll just send the working response.
Okay. So one of the method what we can do, okay, if this is A, this is B. So obviously this is X and this is Y. So only the calculation part is 1 by 2 xy is equal to 9 is the first one. Second is what I'm getting is A minus X half into A minus X into B is equal to 16. And third is half into B minus Y into A is equal to 25. Right. And what I have to find, if I'm able to find AB, right, that is the area of the rectangle, right, area of the rectangle. So I'm able to find out the entire thing, right? So this is xy is equal to 18. From second, I can say like I can put this x in terms of y, or y in the third in terms of y, I can put as 18 by x, right? So this is b minus 18 by x into a is equal to 50, right? And then x I can put from this, the value of x is b minus 18 upon the x will be AB minus BX is equal to 32 from this, or AB minus 32 by B is nothing but x on. AB minus 32 by B into A is equal to 50. Wow, this is working, right? Multiplying with AB, this is 1 minus 18 upon AB minus 32 is equal to 50. Let AB is equal to some capital X or something, right? So obviously now I'm getting right the quadratic you are getting from this. Is this okay, everyone? Only the calculation, the basic calculation, that's it. Basic calculation on this. Okay, comfortable? Okay, just a minute, just I'm going through that. Not bad, but how get the value of B from this?
So I've taken the determinant one.
Discriminant, huh?
Yeah.
Discriminant as? So discriminant will give you the relation only, na, ki D is less than equal to 0.
So again, that's the problem.
See, you understand this one, na? Just see this, right?
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Yeah, take your time. So all the calculation part, right? We can use the geometry also, but one of the last question of geometry we are doing, then I have to do some the function equation questions, right? So please go on this, then we'll do that. Okay, see. Only one question I'm doing, right? But see careful, now. Just before the question I'm just giving you, you have to be careful, right? Let A, B, C, D be a convex quadrilateral. Quadrilateral in which angle BAC is equal to 50 degree, angle CAD is equal to 60 degree, and angle CBD is equal to 30 degree. And the last one angle is given, angle BDC is equal to 25 degree. If E is the point of intersection of AC and BD, find angle AEB. You have first 5 minutes, right, to draw the diagram of this. First, try to draw the diagram, then you can proceed for the question. Take your time, everyone. This is the beautiful arrangement. So take your time, then we'll start. Then we'll go for functional equation.
Sir, what is poverty is for you? I understand.
अरे वाह रे सर, क्या बात है, वेरी गुड।
सर थोड़ा प्री कॉलेज बना रहा था तो ये सब स्ट्राइक है आज।
This is the question, right?
Okay, sir.
A beautiful arrangement of the numbers, right? Okay, okay. Should I start now?
Sir, 1 minute.
Okay. तने not bad, but थोड़े कैलकुलेशन को एक बार और चेक करो बेटा। Sanjana, the most important part is the construction, right? Patyus, Katani, most important part is the construction. If we are able to do the good construction, 100% we are getting the answer.
So can I give 3 minutes?
What beta?
So can I give 3 minutes?
Yeah, sure. The best part is the construction only. Not bad, Kantani, not bad. Just see the construction. Should I start?
Sir, 2 minutes.
Sivang, very good. Very good, Sivang. Receipt done, beta.
Sir, 2 minutes. Diagram banana.
Okay. So few of the answers are coming, right? So what I'm doing now, just this question you all have to do, right? Then send me the solution, right? Because a few more question I have to do, right? So let's start with a few more question on this, right? So next lecture I'll discuss this. Okay, that will be fair. Now you will get time also, right? Are you fair? बोलते ही तुमने आंसर दे दिया. Fine. All strictly increasing or monotonic, or increasing maybe or maybe decreasing monotonic function f r to r satisfying the functional equation f of fx plus y is equal to f of x plus y plus f0. One thing you have to understand, right? Each and every word plays an important role when we are solving functional equation, right? Maximum 4 minutes. Each and every word, right? Very good, Aryan. Other than this, just send your solution. Not bad, Kasib. थोड़ा सा और. fx plus y plus f0. This is f0. f of 0. No reset, no reserve. F of fx plus y is equal to f of. So, okay. Let us start. It's this is the best way to say it, guys. Very good. Is one solution. This is one of the solution. Okay, not bad. Good. So if you'll see this in this, right? First thing is this is R to R. Right. So R to R is like we have not to find the values. We have not to find the values of F0, F1, F2, F3, and so on. Right. So if R to R is given, so like we have to rely on the function. So we have to put something X or Y, like one X or Y interchange into other X and Y. So we'll get the answers, like something like that. Right. F0, obviously F0 is constant, right? If I'll put F0 on all of this, so f of F0 is equal to twice of F0 is constant, some constant is coming, right? Or I can say, see, since this is the function, if I'm putting y is equal to minus x. So what I'm getting, f of fx minus x is equal to f of x minus x plus f of 0. Means this is 0 plus f of 0 is twice of f0. Right? And since f is strictly increasing function, right? F is monotonic function, या तो increasing होगा और decreasing होगा. Since we are saying that this function fx minus x is given, so fx is increasing or decreasing function, strictly monotonic function, right? Is monotonic, then it must be क्या? Must be क्या? One-to-one function or injective function, right? Either this is increasing one or the decreasing, right? And from this information, I can say f of fx minus x is equal to twice of f naught. And this is some constant c, right? Some constant c. So I can say ki fx minus x, right? So such that this is an increasing function. So fx minus f is equal to some constant c. So fx is equal to x plus c. Is this okay? Right? So this function is increasing function, monotonic and increasing function, a strictly increasing function, and one-to-one also function and one-one function. So this satisfying my given conditions. Is this okay?
Sir, in this question, can we do it by putting y is equal to 0?
If we'll put y is equal to 0, okay, then you are saying ki fx is one, not bad, not bad. Yes, yes, you are getting this. If you will put y is equal to 0, so you are getting f of fx is equal to fx plus f naught, right? Since we know that this is one function, monotonic and one function, so this fx is some of the values I'm getting as t. So f of t is equal to t plus some constant c. Again, you are getting the same answer. Good, Pratyush.
Yes, sir.
Now, the same thing you are getting, right? In a different approach, you can get the same thing. And any other solution? Aryan, what you did, beta?
सर एक्चुअली मुझे लगा था कि जो fx है हमेशा इंक्रीजिंग होके मैंने वही किया था -x डाल के, लेकिन उसके बाद 2f0 के बाद मैं अटक गया था, सो आई जस्ट ऑब्जर्व्ड एंड गॉट इट.
Okay. Mathematically, right? See. The second one, like 3-4 questions, like different variety of questions, I'll show you. Then you'll be able to x to the power 4 plus y is equals to x cube into fx plus f of fy. Right? And this is again given R. Right? So try to find out the function from this. Take your time, relax and take your time. This is like, it's a very good question, but if like you'll concentrate now, 100% you are going to get the answer from this. Just you have to be confident कि okay, जो मैंने पहले पढ़ा है, you can use that, all those formulas and all, right? Take your time, 3 minutes. Very good, Katani. How you are getting better? Not bad, not bad. Very good. If by observation you are able to say this thing, now you have to formulate, okay, this is working. So, like from from what portion of mathematics I'm able to transport this thing, right? Very good. Good observation. Very good. Very good, Patyus. F of Fy, yes. Second one is F of Fy. Aryan, why?
सर अगर y को 0 ले लेते हैं तभी काम कर सकते हैं ऑब्जर्वेशन सर अगर y को 0 ले लेंगे तो इसमें
But f of
ऑब्जर्वेशन आ
x
जाएगा
to the power 4 is equal to x cubed fx is coming up, na? It's not
सर
coming
तो
from
जब हम लोग y को 0 लेते हैं तो फिर आई गेस थोड़ा सा ऑब्जर्वेशन में हो सकता है
कर गया बेटा, मान लिया मैं। तो what I'm saying ना कि f of x to the power 4 is equal to x cube fx plus f naught आ गया मेरे पास, f of f naught। उससे कुछ बोल पाना इज थोड़ा सा दिक्कत हो जाएगा। वेरी गुड रिसेट, वेरी गुड संजना, नॉट बैड। नाउ व्हाई यू आर टेकिंग दिस, दैट यू हैव टू से। उत्कर्ष, अब ये ऑब्जर्वेशन को मैथमेटिक्स में लाना पड़ेगा। कैन आई शो दिस कि हाउ यू आर गेटिंग दिस? Should I start?
Yes.
See. So this, you'll not believe this, but this is Cauchy. A good observation, f of y is equal to f of y, right? That's a good observation, right? So you know that if you have to put the values in place of x and y, so this is pxy, means when we are putting in place of x is x, in place of y is y. So we have to write down this, right? So first of the operation I'm taking on this is 0x. So when I'm putting this, means in place of x, I have to put 0, and in place of y, I have to put x. So f of x is equal to f of x. Very good, Utkarsh. Right, you got this thing. Yes, Sanjana. Very good, good. That will also use. I'll use that also. Right. So this is the first thing. F of x is equal to f of x. Right. For x belongs to R. Now, P of x of 1, right? So Px1 is P x to the power 4 plus 1 is equal to x cubed fx plus f of 1 is f1 only. Right, f of 1 is f1 only. Utkarsh, wow. Very good. This is the first one. This is the second one. Now I'm going for the third. What if I'm putting x and x to the power 4, because I have to make both the functions same. So 1x to the power 4. So 1x to the power 4. So f of 1 plus x to the power 4 is equal to f of 1 plus f of x is means f of x to the power 4. Can I write this? From second and third, third, right? What I'm getting x to the power 4 is equal to x cube fx. Aryan, that you were telling ना, ये मेरे पास आ गया देखो. Utkarsh, very good बेटा. The same operation you have applied or something else?
So why the same thing?
Same thing. Means now my question is f of x to the power 4 plus y is equal to, right, f of x to the power 4 plus f of y. But we know that if again I have to put x to the power 1 by 4 and y, so the fourth one what I'm getting is f of x plus y is equal to f of x plus f of y is f of y. क्या बोलते हो? Yes. Beautiful arrangement, right? But we have to correct. Almost you got the thing. Utkarsh, almost.
सर ये लिखा नहीं था.
Lastly, you have to close this. Right? So only kx now. I hope everyone is getting this.
सर अब इसमें f of x is equal to lambda x तो नहीं लिख सकते ना, because f of y is equal to f of y, वो भी तो satisfy होना चाहिए.
So lambda is 1 only.
Yes sir, वही doubt था.
So lambda is 1 only, so that will satisfy, na? Huh? Right? But like you have to get the things like how this is going to be, right? How I'm going, like how I'm getting the solution in this, right? Next. One more, please. Have time. See. Again, almost the same question, right? So please, right, f of x square plus f of y, right? In place of y, just I have changed something. F of x plus y, right? But this time it's going from natural numbers including 0, right? Find such function. Yes. This is now simple one, right? You have to correct this time. surplus or reserve, like almost you are there, almost you are there. So first thing, what I'm doing now, just I'm giving you the different variety of this, right? Of f of fx, right? So when it's a real number, now it's not real number, now it's going for the natural number, including zeros, right? So first we'll see like what approach we can pick for different type of questions, right? So should I start this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, see. So again, like as I said, now this question is not given R to R. So I'm not going for putting X and Y, interchanging X and Y in this case, right? So what I'm doing, just in these type of question, you have to get the values, right? You have to get the values, right? Values means F0, F1, F2, right? Then you'll be able to connect the dots, right? So first I can say P0 on, right? Y is Y on, right? So F of Y is equal to what? Means from this I can say f of 0, the value would be 0, right? Now if I'll put p 1 0, x is 1, f0 is equal to right, x is 1, y is 0. What number I am getting? F of 1 plus f0 is equal to f of 1, right? And what is the value of f0? What is the value you can find of f0 in this case?
0.
0.
How you are getting f0? Is it 0?
Sir, the function is 1 1. Sir, is it 1 1?
Huh?
Sir, is the function 1 1?
That you have to prove. Not you can't say directly ki this is 1 1 function.
Okay.
Right? That we have to prove. Right? So can you see this ki f of function is given, right? F of the function 1 plus f naught, right? This is f of 1 plus f naught. Can I say 1 plus f of 0 is nothing but f of 1 plus f0, right? Can I say this? So if I'll apply function f both sides, so I'm getting f of 1 plus f naught is equal to f of 1. But this is 1 only. And this what I can write? 1 plus f naught is equal to 1. So I'm getting f0 is 0. Okay. So you have to think in that way ki if we have to use the f of fx now, so like two ways I can use this. First, I have to apply f of fx, something like that. Other way is when the function is given, then I have to take one f both sides. One f function both sides, that's called the cyclicity, and this will give you the magic, right? Real magic is this, right? So now I have to formulate f0 and f1 is there, right? So third, what I'm saying, p x is equal to 1, and let just I'm giving y as sum of f of G. Right? Where Z belongs to any of the natural numbers, right? So what I'm getting 1 plus, can I say f of Z is Z only is equal to f of 1 plus f of Z. And this is nothing but f of 1 plus f of Z, right? Means f of 1 plus Z is equal to f1 plus fz. Can you getting something? Are you getting something on this? कुछ ऐसा पहले कभी किया था, something I remember, right? Anything on this? F of, yes.
Kochi.
F Cauchy, sir. F of x plus y is equal to f of x plus f of y.
So, like this, like we have Harlems, obviously. Like practicing, where I have to put this, right? How I have to go for this.
Sir, I did something else.
Mm-hmm.
Sir, I saw that f of x is equal to x. So f of 1 is equal to 1, f of 2 is equal to 2. So we are getting infinite values which say that this function is a linear one.
Mm-hmm.
So can we assume it to be linear function?
Mm-hmm. Some more information are required, right? We are not so much sure on that side. We have to like conclude this with like we have to repeat the function. We have taken both sides f and f. Then we can say f of x. First time, as I said, okay, first f is the outside f. I have to apply for that, and second time I have to use the inside f. Right? In the next lecture, we'll do that. Okay, so sorry, but I have to wind up this lecture, right? So फिर मिलते हैं, right? I'll send you the question of this, right? Geometry and function, both.
सर क्लास इतना जल्दी खत्म हुआ ऐसा लगा मुझे.
Sorry, थोड़ा सा जल्दी हो गया. But मैंने भी बहुत enjoy किया. I hope आप लोगों ने भी enjoy किया होगा.
Yes, sir.
सर
Right? चलो मिलते हैं फिर ना.
Thank you,
ओके
sir.
सर.
Thank
बाय
you,
सर.
sir.
थैंक यू सर.
Thank you.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye,
Bye.
sir. Thank you,
I'm
sir.
sending
Bye,
you.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Recording now. Receive.
Yes, sir.
sir.